Hello! Today we're going to have a look at how to use the search bar. The search bar is used to narrow down your search for specific items in the catalog. You can find the search bar on the left side of the screen above the catalog. If you are looking for furniture or materials, type in the specific items in the search bar. For example, let's look for a sofa for our project. Type in sofa in the search bar. Search results will populate on the right. Scroll to see different options and select the type of sofa you need. Click on the sofa to select. Then, click on the space you would like to place your sofa. Once the sofa is placed, with the sofa still selected, use the menu to rotate the image or the panel on the right to customize dimensions or colors to your liking. Please note, you can also find the search bar in the opening, exterior, materials, and plan step of your project. That's it. Now it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any questions. Our team is always available to help.